Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to make free backups, automatic backups and manual backups for your website for free using a free software, okay, or a free plugin. So what we're going to do is do some settings so that our website will be able to make automatic backups for us. In case something happens to our website, we can be able to restore it from that point, okay? And that is what we are going to do. Now, without wasting my time, let's jump into it. So we are going to go to the dashboard over here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to click on hover on plugins over here and then click on add new. We're going to add a new plugin, okay? So with a new plugin, we'll be able to search for we are going to search for backup, okay? Just search for backup, and then you're going to get Updraft, okay? So Updraft Plus, okay? That is what we're going to use to back up our website. So as you can see over here, it has over 3 million plus active installation and 5-star review. Amazing, right? Yeah, that is what we are going to use, okay? Now this plugin is free to use, even though you have pro version over there, but the free version gives you tons and tons of things that you can be able to use, okay? So as a small website or a small website designer, I think this one is is best for you. So what you're going to do is just click on install now, and then we click on activate to activate it. So let's click on activate to activate it. Okay, so now that we have activated it, we're going to get this Updraft Plus installed over here for us, okay? So we're going to click on settings over here, and then we'll go through the settings of the Updraft Updraft Plus. Oh god, Updraft Plus, okay? That is it. Now the first settings that you see over here is just to tell you that just backup, okay? So just make a backup of your website, and this one will go straight to your hosting, okay? So it's going to be in your files of your hosting, okay? And then I do not really recommend this one because I know that with this one what it does is it's burden your hosting, okay? So I really don't recommend this one, but you can do it. You can just click on backup now, and then it will take some few steps, and then you will be able to backup. So include your database in the backup, include your file in the backup, and then backup won't be sent to any remote storage. None has been saved in the settings. Not got any remote service storage. Click here, okay? So we are just doing the backup on our server, okay? So we're gonna click on backup over here, and then after backing up, it will give us the file, and then we will download it, and then we will save it ourselves, okay? So it's not going to save on our server, but we will save it ourselves, okay? So we just have to download it and then save it, and then if we need to restore it, we'll use that same file to restore it, okay? And that is it. So guys, as you can see, it has been successful, okay? So the backup report is successful, okay? So now we can see our backup over here, okay? So we can just download all of them, okay? So we can just select it, and then what we do is we will download all of them, okay? So what you have to do is just click on the database, and then it will download. Click on the plugins, it will download. Click on the themes, it will download. Click on uploads, it will download, and then click on others, and then it's going to also download, okay, for you. So that is exactly it. Now if you want to restore it, just click over here to restore it, okay? So as you can see, it is on our server, okay? I made a mistake. I said it's not on our server, but it is on our server, okay? So we can restore it, or we can delete it, okay? And that is it. So it's saying that the web server disk space is in use by Updraft, and that is 239 megabytes, okay? So this one is on our server. We can decide to delete it or not. Now when we click on here, it's going to download the what, give us a download file, and then they say the file is ready, we can what, we can download it. Okay, if you want to delete it from what, from your server, you can click over here to what, to also what, delete it. Okay, and that is that. Now I'm not going to do anything about it. Now the next one that we are going to do is what, to go to settings over here to set up our what, our automatic what, backup. So as you can see, files backup schedule. Okay, so you can set up the backup maybe every what, every week. Okay, weekly, and then retain this many schedule backups. You know, any backups that you want, is it 2 times or whatever it is, you can schedule it. Okay, and then database backup schedule also what, every you know, week. Okay, depending on the kind of website that you are using, you can what, backup anytime that you want to what, backup. So if you are done, if you've done this, then what you have to do is, so we want to choose where we want to save what, our backup. Okay, so for me, I want to what, save it on my what, Google Drive. Okay, so I'll click on what, Google Drive, and then you can choose anything. You can choose Dropbox, Amazon S3, you know, Microsoft Azure. You can choose you know, OpenStack. You can choose anything. Okay, FTP, anything. But all what I want is what, I want my backup to go to my Google what, Drive. Okay, so when you select the Google Drive, what happens over here? Now you need to connect your what, your Google to it. Okay, so what do you do? So just click on you know, the sign in over here, and then you can what, you can connect your what, your Google to it. So we're gonna click over here, and then we are going to what, go and then connect our what, our Google Drive, and then we'll come back. So it will tell us what to choose, what we want. So I want to choose this one over here, and then it's going to what, connect it to what, to it. So it will ask for permission, and then you have to allow the permissions over here. And as you can see, to complete the what, the backup, press the button below. This will take you back to you know, your dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to press this button over here, and then it's going to take me back to what, my my dashboard. Okay, where the app draft is. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have connected my what, my you know, my app draft to my what, Google Drive, and then I can click over here, and as you can see over here, it is what, it is connected. Okay, so if I want to set it up, okay, let me click over here, and then as you can see, okay guys, so I think it is connected. Okay, it is connected. As you can see, you appear to be already authenticated. Okay, so it is what, it is connected. Okay, so I don't need to do anything again. So what it will do is what, it will back up all the what, the files for me. Okay, it's going to back up all the files for me. Okay, so it is already authenticated for us. Okay, so as you can see, everything is what, done for us. So now you can just, you know, save your changes, and then you are what, you are ready to go. So everything is what, everything is done, everything is correctly done. There is nothing that we have to do about it. So it will what, it will do the backups what, schedule for us every what, every week. Okay, and then you what, you see it over there. So you can also go to advanced tools over here, and then check out all the advanced things of the what, of the plugin. Okay, and then if you want to what, restore you know, the backup, it is very simple. Just, you know, click on the actions over here which says what, restore, and then it will be able to what, restore everything what, for you. Okay, you choose the themes and plugins that you want to restore, and then you go to next, and then you'll be able to what, restore everything for you. That is when you have what, you have a problem with your what, with your website. Okay guys, so I hope this video will be able to help you to be able to what, get automatic backups for your website anytime that you need it, so that anytime that you have a problem with your website, you can be able to go ahead and fall on those automatic backups to be able to back up your what, your website. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this channel to people, for people to like also come and then watch you know, your this amazing what, videos over here. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.